Hello and welcome, this is Sohaib here, and in this video we are going to be discussing the new launch in Masar 3 with the name of Phase 3. Like Phase 1 and 2 are completely sold out right now, especially 2-bedroom townhouses, and we do have some cancellation units, but we are talking about a price point starting from 2.7, 2.6 million dirhams, but for 2-bedroom townhouses those are most in demand right now. Talking about the exact location, you are on Emirates Road. It is one of the greenest community of Dubai and Sharjah. We are talking about Arada, a semi-government developer, like same as we have Emaar in Dubai. And other than this, Arada has a huge reputation of building high-end luxury products. But we're talking about a community of townhouses and villas. They have already completed communities like Nisama and Al Jada, and Masar has been a huge success. We talk about Masar 1, Masar 2, which was launched earlier this year, but Masar 3, Phase 1 and 2 are completely sold out. But we are in EY phase right now for the Phase 3, which is named as Laura Cluster. I'm also going to be attaching the layouts and the price plan for now. In terms of the availability and prices, we are starting from 2-bedroom townhouses. You have 3-bedroom townhouses, 4-bedroom townhouses, 4-bedroom villas, and 5-bedroom ultra luxury villas. Starting from the 2 bedrooms, like minimum typology is starting from 1950 square feet, which is a pretty much decent size. We're talking about a plot size of around 1540 square feet, and the minimum starting price is going to be 1.88 million dirhams. Like maximum it goes to 1.9 million dirhams, and 2 bedrooms are going to be the middle units only. It depends on the location, but the starting price is 1.88 million dirhams. For a 3-bedroom middle townhouse, it is starting from around like 2280 square feet of a sellable area. We are talking about a plot area of around 1705 square feet, and the minimum starting price is going to be 2.399 million dirhams, and maximum it goes to like 2.45 million dirhams. Definitely it depends on the size and the location and layout, what layout you are getting. I'm also going to be attaching the layouts with me just for you guys to have a clear idea, and you can just send me a WhatsApp as well for the detailed PDF as well. Then we have 3-bedroom corner units, and the starting size is going to be around 2350 square feet, and plot area is going to be 2290 square feet. Other than this, like minimum starting price for a corner unit is going to be 2.79 million dirhams, and maximum it goes to around 2.96 million dirhams, which is, I do think so, pretty much good in terms of if we compare these prices with any other community. Like we have Valley recent launch, it was like starting from 3.01 million dirhams for a 3-bedroom townhouse. So in terms of sizes and the prices, definitely Masar stands out right now. Then we have 4-bedroom middle townhouses. Like the starting sellable area is going to be around 2560 square feet. We're talking about a plot area of around 1705 square feet, and the starting price is going to be 2.86 million dirhams, and maximum it goes to around 2.9 million dirhams. Definitely it depends on what type of layout you are getting and what type of location you are getting. Other than this, we have corner 4-bedroom townhouses, and the starting size is going to be 3130 square feet, and maximum like plot area is going to be around 2605 square feet. Definitely you get extra land in terms of corner layouts, and the starting price for a corner 4-bedroom is starting from 3.44 million dirhams, and maximum it goes to 3.66 million dirhams. And definitely I do think so, as compared to the market, it is pretty much reasonable as for a 4-bedroom townhouse. Even though we have a new competition with the name of the Mac Islands, you are getting 4-bedroom townhouses starting from 2.7 million dirhams. Definitely it depends on what type of investment and what type of returns you are going to get. In the villas category, we are coming up with 4 and 5-bedroom villas, and those come in 2 type of typologies. One are the normal villas, other one are going to be your signature villas. For a 4-bedroom normal villa, the starting size is going to be around 3765 square feet. We're talking about a plot area of around 3326 square feet. Like the starting price for a 4-bedroom villa is going to be starting from 4.26 million dirhams, and maximum it goes around 4.86 million dirhams. For a 4-bedroom signature villa, the sellable area is going to be around 4356 square feet. We're talking about a plot area of around 5036 square feet. Other than this, the starting prices are going to be 5.1 million dirhams, and maximum it goes to 5.8 million dirhams. Definitely it depends on what type of view and what type of location you are getting. For 5-bedroom independent villas, we are talking about 2 types. One is starting from 5142 square feet of a sellable area, and like plot area is going to be around 6272 square feet, and the starting prices are going to be 5.89 million dirhams, and maximum definitely it goes around 6.6 or 6.7 million dirhams. For a signature 5-bedroom villa, type 2 is going to be starting from 6736 square feet of a sellable area, and we are talking about a plot size of around 6770 square feet, and the starting prices is going to be starting from just 7.6 million dirhams. Maximum it goes around like 8.3, 8.4 million dirhams. It depends on what type of amenities and what type of location you are getting. If you talk about phase 1 and phase 2 for Masar 3, it has been a huge success. It was sold out in a day just because of the high demand of townhouses and villas. Like in comparison, still Masar is pretty much affordable and reasonable just because of the easy payment plan as well. You are paying 5% as a down payment, 5% you are paying after 6 months. So still you 40% you are paying during construction, and 60% at the time of handover. So Masar stands out in terms of affordability and also the relaxed payment plan as well. Like if we compare with any other community like Damak Island Phase 2, then we have Valley by Emaar, and especially in Masar, like the hot product is gonna be 2-bedroom townhouses. In Phase 1 and 2, like 2-bedroom townhouses are sold out pretty much fast just because of the high demand. Like people prefer to have a private space, a private parking as well. Even though if someone wanna buy a 2-bedroom apartment in a well-reputed community, it is gonna be starting from 1.5 1.6 million dirhams, and you are getting a size of around 1200 or 1300 square feet. Here you are getting a 1800 or 1900 square feet of a sellable area. You are getting a private space as well, so people prefer to have a private space in terms of townhouses. And communities like Masar has been a huge success. You are getting a forest living. We are talking about 70,000 trees. Like total number of units are still 4,000. So per home you are getting 15 to 16 trees. So that's it for now. If you need to ask anything about Masar or any of the communities you are looking for townhouses and villas, just send me a WhatsApp. I'm always up. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.